So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode education, that is 1826 most profit assigning work, and in this we'll be having n jobs and m workers, and we'll be given three areas: difficulty, profit, and worker. With difficulty I and profit I are the difficulty and the profit of the I job, and worker J is the ability of the J worker. That is worker J can complete a job with difficulty at most of worker J. Okay, that means that is maximum power of doing the particular job. Okay, and every working can be assigned at most one job, but one job can be completed multiple number of times. For example, if there are three workers try attempt the same job that pays $1, then total profit will be $3. And if a worker cannot complete any job, their profit will be $0. Okay, and we have to return the maximum profit we can achieve after assigning the workers to the job. Okay, for example, we are having difficulty areas 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and profits of the higher job are 10, 20, 30, 40. So for example, second, if a person does the job with two difficulty, he will be paid, he or she will be paid 10. He does or she does with 4, they'll be paid 20 similarly. But and this is the worker the ability, that is a person, let's say first person can do the job with maximum difficulty of 4. So we are having two jobs which are having the maximum difficulty of 4, that is 2 and 4. So and these jobs are paying 10 and $20 each. So obviously the worker will pick up the maximum one, that is 20. Then again we are having 5 for 5 also, it will be same, that 2 and 4 are the ones, and he will be picking up 20 again because that is the most. Then we are having 6. So this worker third worker can pick up the jobs with the difficulty of 2, 4 and 6. So then he will be picking the profit of 30. Similarly, for the seventh one, again the profit will be 30. So that's why our answer comes out to be 100. Okay, because 20 plus 20, that's equals to 40. 40 plus 30 is 70, and 70 plus 30 is 100. Okay, so main thing what we can do is, behind solving this question, we'll be binding up both difficulty and profit, and we'll be sorting the array on the basis of difficulty and profit, and we'll be checking that if a worker is possible, we can assign that to the job to the worker or not. Okay, so firstly, let's have a class of pair class, and this will be storing the difficulty, uh, yeah, int difficulty and int profit. Okay, profit, and then we'll be initializing the pair class with int difficulty int profit, and then so this dot difficulty is equal to difficulty, and this dot profit is equal to profit. Okay, yeah, profit. So I just have to do why now let's have a list of pair that will be hmm, yeah, list of pair that, let's call this list as um, difficult, no, not difficult, let's call it just as listing. Okay, so that will be equal to a new, or let's call it work. Okay, that will be equal to new array list. Okay, and then we'll be updating this list. So for int I equal to 0, I less than profit dot length I plus plus, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be forming a new pair, work dot add new pair of difficulty I, comma, work, oh sorry, profit of I. Okay, and now we'll be sorting this list. So collections dot sort my list work with the custom comparator a dot comma b. We'll be sorting it on the basis of a dot difficulty minus b dot difficulty. So basically this will sort list on the basis of difficulties in a in ascending order. Okay, yeah, and now we will be sorting the workers array as well. Arrays dot sort worker. Okay, and now let's have three variables. My indexing, that is I'll be using equal to 0, and my answer variable that will be initially 0, and then we'll be having a best pay, because if we have sorted the worker array, what we'll be getting is that up to that particular worker, which is the maximum which is the job will be that will be paying us the maximum profit based on that particular difficulty. Okay, and let's initialize best pay also equal to 0. Then for int, let's say power, or let's we can even say ability in a worker. Oh, in worker, it's worker, yeah, it's worker. Okay, what we'll be doing is I'll be saying that while I is less than work dot size, and my power is greater than or equal to my worker dot get I dot difficulty. Here what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my best pay variable as best pay will be equal to maximum of my best pay, comma my work dot get I dot profit. Okay, so we are using arrays, so the time convention might not be that good. You can use array as well. That's completely up to you. Okay, and then we'll be updating our answer with the best pay. Okay, and at the end we'll be returning our answer. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, it's taking a bit more time. I guess that's again due to my internet connection only. Yeah, let's just wait. Okay, so it finally ran and gave error of power. I'll be changing it to ability. Now let's run it again and I'll be pausing the video again. Oh yeah, and finally gets accepted. Now let's submit it. I hope it will take less time on getting submitted. Yeah, and it took less time. Okay, yeah, and it's accepted. Now, yeah, okay. So this was it for today. Thank you for watching.